It seems like most people are using agent skills wrong or just not at all. Well, in this video, we're going to break down what agent skills are and how to properly use them in your workflow. So let's go ahead and jump right in. Agent skills are folders of instructions, scripts, and resources that GitHub Copilot can load when relevant to perform specialized tasks. These skills are an open standard that works across multiple AI agents, including GitHub Copilot and VS Code, Copilot CLI, and Copilot Cloud Agent. The documentation here goes into detail with some examples of some skills, but let's go ahead and take a look at an existing project. Now, I have here a calculator app, but if we go into this gear here to open up customizations, we can see right off the bat some skills that are available under extensions and then some built-in skills. And some of these may look familiar to you if you've reviewed some of our other videos, but if we, for example, chose create prompt, we can see what's going on here behind the scenes in terms of what's inside the skill.md file. We can see the description, which is to create a reusable prompt for a common task. But also on line 7, you can see that the related skill is agent customization. It indicates to load and follow prompts.md for template and principles. And then, of course, specific details that the skill must abide to, such as extracting from conversation, clarifying if it's needed, and iterations. So if we went into chat and entered slash create, this is what allows us to create a reusable prompt, such as to perform code review. And you can see right here, it says to read the skill for agent customization. And also, it's prompting us, where should this code review prompt be saved? And for now, I'll say workspace and just accept the default for the rest of these prompts here. So now it's created the prompt. What I would like to do is to create a skill that will update a README file whenever a feature is added to my project. So this skill will theoretically update my README file with the details of whatever feature that I added. And look at this. This is great. It's asking me if I want it to be for my workspace and personal. I actually forgot to mention personal, so I've selected that. And this is great. It's asking me for should be just a feature list or more details. I'm fine with the first, and I wanted to do it automatically. So I'll leave number 1. I'll give it the permission that it needs. While it's creating the skill, I could try to think of a feature that I might want to add to test this out. So I think I know an idea for a feature, but in the meanwhile, let's go ahead and take a look at our skill that was just created. Update README. All right. That looks good. I think I might want to add a confirmation here to tell me in the chat that it updated it so that I don't have to just check the README each time. Can you update that skill so that it mentions in the chat that the README has been updated? There's a notification right there. So this is the README that we have here. So let's go ahead and add a feature to this arcade calculator and see what happens. Can you add a feature to the calculator so that when I switch from dark mode to light mode, that it plays a short jingle that reflects dark mode or light mode? Now, I have no idea what type of jingle is going to decide what's representative of dark mode and light mode, but it was the first thing that came to the top of my head. So I'm excited to see what it comes up with. And most importantly, that the README gets updated with this information. Add jingle methods to auto manager. Okay, light mode jingle, ascending C5, E5, G5. All right, well, it says it added the feature and it updated the README. Let's check out the README, but I didn't hear the sound, but line 11 is where it updated it. I can see that right there. So let's go ahead and just make sure that it fixes it so we actually hear the sound and then call it a day. I don't hear a jingle when I switch. Well, actually, you know what? Before I even do that, let me try refreshing the UI. Now I hear it. Okay. I just needed to refresh and it works. All right, cool. To learn more about other customization features produced by our community, check out Awesome Copilot at this URL here. So we cover what agent skills are and how to use them effectively in your workflow. Let me know in the comments, what skills have you used? If you're wondering how this evolves into something more structured, custom agents are worth checking out.